So now we're going to talk about intake liability and investigation. This is your workshop number 2. Personal injury terms. We have to learn something about that. AR means accident report. TAR means traffic accident report. PR means police report. PIC means pictures. WIT means witnesses or witness. Deck sheet means insurance declaration sheet. All these terms are used in short when the attorney is writing notes or when you're doing an intake, when you're interviewing the client. Now, POP policy, what does that mean? When your client's hospital medical bills are more or the same than the policy limits, you don't have to wait for your client to treat. You can immediately pop the other party policies. LOE means loss of earnings. LOU is loss of use. PD is property damage. Total loss is TL. Case development. Identify potential cases. Auto versus auto. Pedestrian versus auto. Slip and fall. Intake sign up. Number 1, interview your client or your clients. Number 2, fill out the intake sheet 100%. Number 3, get all the general information. Number 4, get description of accident. Number 5, do a Google search and make a printout of the intersection where the accident happened. Number 6, get all the details. Ask what the other party's reaction was after the accident. Did this person accept fault for the accident? Number 7, witnesses. Number 8, injuries. Get all the detailed information. Take pictures. Number 9, previous injuries and accidents. Number 10, review all documents your clients need to sign. Note, do not discuss settlement amount, case value, or anything regarding money. Open claim with carriers. Confirm coverage. Confirm coverage early by calling both insurance carriers. Make sure your client is not a Prop 213. Only applicable in California. Determine exactly what kind of coverage your client has so you know what to do if there is a coverage problem with the at-fault party insurance coverage. Establish liability investigation. Defendant. Establish how many defendants involved. No defendant's insurance information. Run the vehicle plate number. All law firms have an account with DMV to run plates or driver's license. In Nevada, you mail a request to DMV along with an authorization and payment. File an SR1. By filing the SR1, you are reporting the accident to the DMV and letting them know your client was involved in an accident. Also, put in all the information you have for the other driver. And this is only applicable to California. After 30 days, you can file an SR19 and request the other driver's insurance information or a certification that the other driver was an uninsured motorist. You will need this document to open a claim through your client's carrier, only if your client carried at the time of the accident. This last information is only applicable in California. Liability accepted, disputed liability. Talk to the insurance adjuster. Ask if there are any questions as to liability. Don't ever be intimidated by insurance adjusters. They are only doing what they are trained to do. You should not take their attitude personally. Keep your cool and make your point regarding your injury and property damage. Claim that clearly defines the extent of damages and where liability lies. Make it clear that your client is not liable for this accident and their insured is responsible 100%. Evidence. Any notes your client might have taken at the time of the accident or anything that other party might have written down to give your client. Witness statement. If you have a witness, immediately get an authorization from your attorney to assign your in-house investigator to get the recorded statement. Extent of injuries, major or soft tissue. Major injuries, immediately request your attorney authorization to perform a policy limit search. All law firms have their own contacts to obtain this information.